Hey everyone, this is Bob with Bob CNC, and welcome to our troubleshooting series. Today we're going to be looking at the Revolution and going to be troubleshooting our stepper motor is traveling the wrong directions. So I've got this one hooked up now. I got it hooked up incorrectly, so now when I home it, you're going to see that the Z homes correctly, but now the X is moving the wrong direction. So it should actually be going to the home switch so that it can stop, but it's not. It's just going to come over here and try to continue going. So that's not going to work for us. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and turn the power off, slide this around. So what's actually happening here? 4-pin stepper motors have two coils, and if we flip the wire set or the connector 180 degrees upside down, then it will reverse the direction. So I can go ahead and do that, and that will fix this problem. But if it is connected the way that it's supposed to be, take a look at the manual for the Revolution. All the blue wires should be up, right? But if that's true, maybe you change the firmware. So you want to reset the firmware, and that you can do by typing in $RST equals $. So let me go ahead and flip this around, and I'll show you that it will home correctly if the wires are all blue facing up. So now that I have that taken care of, I'll go ahead and click home. It will drive up and down. And now, of course, it's going the correct direction. So if your motors are going the wrong direction, definitely want to check the wiring diagram in the book and make sure that yours matches. And also maybe reset the firmware. So that's it for motor going the wrong way. So thanks for watching.